Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure Wallpaper Engine is installed and updated, and run it with administrator rights so it can modify system-level settings. Once done, sign into the local account you plan to lock and disable Fast User, switching to avoid session conflicts. Open Wallpaper Engine and pick the wallpaper you want for the lock screen. Choose a static or performance-friendly animated option to limit CPU usage, while Windows displays the lock UI. Now you enable the integration that lets Wallpaper Engine provide imagery to the lock screen. Go to Settings, then Integration, and toggle the lock screen support option. This often requires a restart of Wallpaper Engine or Windows components, so make sure to apply and confirm. Next, select the specific wallpaper, open its options and choose Apply to Lock Screen. You do this because Wallpaper Engine must register its renderer with Windows Lock UI to hand off a stable image. Finish by locking your machine, press Win+L, to verify the lock screen shows the Wallpaper Engine image. If you see a blank or default lock wallpaper, make sure Wallpaper Engine is running as administrator and restart it. Sometimes a simple app restart or full system reboot forces Windows to accept the registered renderer. If problems persist, double-check Windows personalization lock screen settings and any group policy or antivirus rules that block third-party lock screen providers. That's often the single troubleshooting step that resolves failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.